Now बच्चे, फर्स्ट पॉइंट, फाइंडिंग आउट योर अलार्म रिस्पॉन्स और साइंस एंड सिम्टम्स ऑफ स्ट्रेस. Our body produces a physical alarm response. Our body produces a physical alarm response that pumps adrenaline through our body, tensing our muscles and speeding up our heart. This alarm response in most cases doesn't do us any good. You can learn to respond calmly and deal actively and positively with your stress, whether it is caused by external or internal factors. Number 2, identifying your physical and mental sign of stress. It is important to identify the different signs of stress. For it could be the first step in learning how to deal with your own stress or stress signs of someone you work with, such as your boss, colleagues, or a family member. Sometimes you are so used to living with stress that you don't know how to identify it. Number 3, finding out what causes stress in you. How you will find? Personality type plays a major role in reaction to stress. For example, overambitious people who set unrealistic goal for themselves are often seen to be more prone to stress related physical problems, while those who are realistically ambitious about their goals know how to balance their aspirations. Number 4, find out what are your personal signs of stress. It is quite possible that a sign may tip you off that you are under stress. You may start sweating, shivering, twitching, or in the worst case, start biting your nails. When the situation gets out of your control, understanding your personal signs of stress level is as important as feeling the pulse of the other person's stress level. For you cannot insulate yourself from stress in the company of a stressed person or in a stressful surrounding. बच्चे, after identify what causes stress in you, you can manage it by following stress management techniques. Number 1, yoga for breathing exercise. Number 2, meditation. Firstly, number 1, yoga for breathing exercise. Yoga is very good exercise for breathing exercises, allowing yourself inhalation of a breath of full oxygen, also known as belly breathing. Oxygen, thus bringing in a good supply of it to your brain, is also an effective way of dealing with stress when tense over undesirable situations and stress over discomforting feelings. Belly or abdominal breathing can be very soothing because it slows you down and relaxes your muscles. Number 2, meditation. Meditation is also exercise. Meditation helps us in enhancing our mindfulness. Regular meditation can bring abundance of peace to your mind and calm and composure to your body. People who are successful in their chosen field have managed and overcome their day-to-day stress by meditating. Number 3, physical exercise. One common sign of getting stressed is that your muscles contract, which further adds to your discomfort with headache, back pain, muscle pain, and high blood pressure. When your BP is high blood pressure, Relaxing your muscles by deep breathing, lying down with closed eyes, or sitting with the firm head. Firm head support is almost always a better idea to deal with the stress. Stress management, how you will manage your stress बच्चे? With nature walk, yoga, meditation, physical exercise, travel, vacations. Now session 3, enjoying going to vacations and holiday with family and friends. By now you know that stress is a normal thing to happen to you. However, you should not allow it to be obstruct your performance, and this can be done by living life in the moment, enjoying with family and friends whenever possible, stopping or not thinking too much, going on vacations and holidays whenever time and resources permit. Researchers say that a good vacation helps us to reconnect with ourselves, operating as a vehicle for self-discovery and helping us get back to feeling our best. In fact, people who take regular time to relax are less likely to experience burnout, thereby becoming more creative and productive than their overworked, under-rested counterparts. All these are some good stress management technique that helps in dealing with the stress that comes from your fear of the unknown. Besides, also practice feeding yourself on good stress. While all stress must be managed, it is a mistake to think of all stresses to be bad. Some stresses can be very good or stresses. Good stress may apparently, like all stresses, seem too much to handle emotionally or physically, but it doesn't drain you of energy. Its very nature energizes you, helping you handle more than you thought possible. Now up to 3 sessions completed. Next one is session 4, taking nature walks. Taking time out for nature walks to helps in reducing your stress level. Working hard to fulfill your dreams are important, but equally important is meeting your physical and mental needs. Many of us stretch ourselves much beyond our physical and mental capacity, giving way to stress. But try to break your working hours into parts with brief breaks in between. Taking time out for nature walks, say of 5 to 10 minutes after every 2 hours of continuous work, is also a good idea, as it helps you to break monotony and focus on your work better. Taking a walk in a park could actually shift your brain into a calmer state, according to recent research. A recent study found that walking through green spaces can put the brain into a meditative state. Definitely a good reason to take a walk in the park. Spending time in nature has been linked to stress reduction. Besides, like any other cardiovascular exercise, brisk walking to boost the secretion of endorphins in our body, which is capable of reducing our stress hormones and thereby alleviating of our mild depression. Now session 4 completed. बच्चे 2.1 completed. Now